Alright guys, I'm trying to figure out what's going on with my cichlid. I don't know if maybe the dye is wearing off on her on her sides, or what, because I know that this cichlid was definitely either dyed or something was up, because if you can look at her, you can see that the bottom of her is supposed to look like that one, but she's being a little bit awkward right now. I mean, she's not acting any different. She usually is a bitch. But, she's trying to attack my finger right now, but I'm trying to get a good view of her so you guys can see what's going on. But if you look at her, she's got, on each side, she's got what's going on is like it looks white on her scales, but it's not ick. I've looked at it, and it's underneath her scales. I know it's not any type of infection or anything, because she doesn't have any bite marks on her or anything. The only thing I did see is a little bit around her gills. There's a little bit of white stuff, and I'm not sure what it is. And it doesn't look bad, but I'm not sure what's going on with her. She's the only one in the tank that has it. My other fish are all perfectly fine. Everybody else is fine. But that's why it's leading me to think that maybe the dye that was used on her is maybe wearing off. Because I know she was either a blood parrot cichlid / convict cichlid, which would explain why she's so territorial and such a bitch. Or she was originally a blood parrot cichlid and she was dyed, and then later, you know, it's just now growing out of it. But I'm not quite sure what's going on with her. But like I said, I mean, you can see she's being a real bitch to the camera. Like, watch. I'll get the camera right here, and she'll try to attack it. But I mean, I looked around the tank. I don't see any eggs or anything. I just see, you know, this white on her, and I mean, it's been on her for the past, like, week, so I know it's not anything really bad that I have to worry about, but I'm still trying to figure it out. My Oscar doesn't have anything like that on him. I mean, I know he hit his head real hard the other day on my filter, and that's why you see those 2 little white spots on his head, is he jumped up there trying to get some food, and got his head stuck between the filter and the glass hood. So, yeah, that wasn't very great of him. And I think he figured out that he's not going to do that again. But his is already starting to heal back up. Ooh, look at him flaring up his colors. But, I mean, my orange one is perfectly fine. I don't see anything going on with her. My bala shark likes to keep tormenting that Oscar, and he's going to eat him if he keeps doing it. But, yeah, I'm trying to figure out what's up with this. I mean, I don't know what it is. If you guys know what it is, let me know. I'm going to post this up in a question on Ask Yahoo. If you guys know, please let me know, because I don't know what it is. I've heard that cichlids can get infections, and that could be what it is, but I don't think so, because she's been perfectly fine for a week now, and it's been like that. I don't know, I'm trying to figure it out. But anyway, all these fish are going to be relocated to a 55-gallon tank in a week. Alright, Yahoo, so don't freak out on me. They're all being relocated to a 55-gallon. Right now they're in a 30. But they will be relocated to a 55-gallon.